Now, to actually be able to archive Gmail messages, this is how we're going to do it. So first, we want to make sure we update the status. So we have previously created a table for our offboarding process, so we can change the status of the inbox archive status to in progress. What we're going to do first is create a folder for this person where we're going to store all of the Gmail data. So we're going to create an employee folder. You can have a parent folder for all of your archived emails, and in this case, if you want to check if it exists, you can do that. So we're going to use one of our newest actions, our list users Gmail messages, and this is going to allow you to be able to retrieve all of those email messages. You can filter out if you don't want all of them. So if you want to use specific search query, maybe if it's only from a specific sender or in between certain dates, so you can add that if you want to filter out the emails. You can choose how many results you want to receive, as well as you want to see the spam and the trash messages. And essentially what we're going to do, to explain this in as easy of terms as possible, we're going to loop through each one of these emails. We're going to get the raw data from those emails using our find users Gmail message raw. And what this is going to do is return information from that email, like for example, who it's from, when it was sent, the size of the message, etc. And what we're going to do is create a text file with that information and save that file within the folder we just created. After we've done that, what we're going to do is we have a different table for all our archived emails. That way your auditing process is even more complete. So what we're going to do is create a record within that. That way each message is stored individually and you can easily access that information. So here we're going to be storing information like the thread ID, the user, who the sender was, when it was sent, the subject, the size. You can even add a link to the file that you had saved in the folder that we can easily access that message. And then what we're going to do is also update the archived count. That way you easily know how many emails have been archived for this user. Now, if you want to take it one step further, you can even create a Zenphi dashboard. Why is this useful? You can create your own tab where the users can easily access the form to be able to offboard a user if this is the method that you're going to be implementing. But you can also create a tab to be able to see what stage in the offboarding process they're in. So have they been completed? Is the transfer in progress? What is it waiting for? And as we can see, we can also see the total number of emails that were archived. And so it's a lot easier to be able to actually see what stage everything is in, keep an eye on it, and this is going to ensure that your auditing process runs smoother as well.